To remove the hot swap hard disk drive backplane, remove the top cover, turn off the server and peripheral devices, and disconnect the power cords and all external cables. Loosen the 2 thumb screws that secure the cover to the chassis. Press on the 2 blue grip points and slide the cover toward the rear approximately 1/2 inches. Lift the cover off of the server and set it aside. Turn the latches into the unlock position. Grasp both sides of the fan cage and lift to remove the fan cage from the server. Pull the hard disk drives out of the server slightly to disengage them from the backplane. If you remove the drives from the server, be sure to note the location of each drive so that you will be able to reinstall them in the correct drive bay. Make note of where the cables are attached to the backplane. Then disconnect them. Loosen the 2 thumb screws that secure the backplane to the chassis. Pull up on the backplane slightly to disengage it from the locating pins. Then remove the backplane from the server.